Dober dan vsi skupaj. Zdaj gremo v gostilski dom, bomo postavili lučke, pa še malo pregledali, če vse laufa, kar more. Tako da bo kar trajal en cajt. Šraufat. Še ti dol. Oba dva moramo dati dol, ker pač les je. Bo? Tole so bolj rabili za en projekt, tako da bo zanimivo.
Ja, ne? No, ne, 5 €, evo mata. Može na drugo vejo, a ti da kakšen dobro drugo višjo?
Ajde, živjo.
Ja.
Meine Scherle za svet.
Vidi sta malo.
Kak dio zadjerna, drž polmirno. Peta, ja, jede. Kak je mama te 6 minuti?
Peta, šel čez uno.
Dela?
Ja, vidim, mašta.
Okay. Lučke delajo, te druge tudi. Bo? Dalki ti se čez več.
Ja, veš. Ajde, zdaj lahko greš pa ven.
Ja, važno je spredi, a ne?
Ej, tle je čist lepa.
Joj.
Vredi je.
Zvezdica na vrh?
Stisne, pa stisne ga. Ajde. Ajde, vršno. Ja, pa veli čist letra,
Odkule pa da bomo še okoli prišli. Prvo daj čez, da če bomo prišli okoli. Oško stisne.
Moje bo, ja. Po moje bo v redu.
Ne, kako je že bil?
Tole gre sem. Ne? Ja, po moje gre sem. Po moje gre sem. O ja. O, tema. Evo, lučke. Lučke. Še na kolo za 1-2 uri. Evo, sem prišel domov, ura je 7, zdaj pa še na kolo. Bom kar naredil 1-2 urci. In ja, da vidimo, po mojem bom še kakšno igrco sproti igral, da ne bom bil sam na zvihtu, pa to, ne.
Jesus.
You know, rather than think about how far apart we are, we should really, you know, embrace how close we all are. Like, in all honesty, it's pretty cool. If you really think about it, I know we don't think about it much these days. So used to it, but just how cool it really is that we can be anywhere in the world and just be doing this. Have all these friends and people that watch us all over the place. Like, even though they might not count as, like, you know, some of your real life friendships that you see in real life, but still, like, you can make some pretty good friends just over the internet and through Twitter and stuff like that. Especially, like, really cool, honestly. You just take some time every once in a while to think about that. I think it's pretty awesome. You never know either. Some of those friendships can turn into real friendships, depending where you end up in life. People move around. People end up in different places. People travel. Yeah. I'm happy I got to experience a little bit of that. It also just puts it in perspective just how fast that all happened. Like, I'm pretty sure my family owned a typewriter when I was younger. It's so crazy to think about.
Yeah.
So crazy. I want to keep riding, but I gotta work for a while. I gotta get some work done. That was a nice little workout for an hour and a half. Alright, thanks everyone for hanging out. We're gonna raid Barty. Go say hi. Kempy, get a ride in. And I'll also be riding again later sometime. If I see any of you then.
3 by 20 minutes. SSD. That's it. Done. Trenutno smo na biciklu, lahko govorili. Če klikneš gor na tisto, kar si naredil, ob strani 3 pikce, klikneš gor in klikneš čisto v desno in plusek, naloži vožnjo. Pa klikam zraven, ki piše moj profil. Ja, prekineš pa povežeš drugega, ne? V redu. Ja, aj. Ja. Sorry, was on a call. I'm using Wahoo right now for ERG. You know that body is like 20% efficient, maybe high-end riders 25% efficient. So I'm doing 300 watts and I'm also generating 900 watts of heat.
There you go. Really good. On point. 148.
To je bilo za danes. Upam, da ste uživali. Narod se na kanal in se vidimo naslednjič.